Hi guys, so I'm back today with a little unboxing. I bought this from Your Creative Studio, which I kept hearing about, and I liked the supplies that I saw, mostly from Barbara at 49 Dragonflies. It seemed like everything she got from them was really fun. So I did a little 2-month subscription, and I think it's okay to show this. It's not like I'm giving anything away because you can't get the July subscription box anymore. This is the July 21 subscription box. You can't get it because it's sold out, because they sell out really fast. So I bought this back in May, I think. So I got a July and August subscription. So this was, you get like a discount for buying more than 1 month at a time. So I think this was about $26 if you break it up for the 2 months. So I'm very excited to see what's in here. I'm a little worried about the size of the box. It's a lot smaller than I was expecting, but we'll see. Okay, let's open it up. And I think I will not show everything. I'll just pull out one thing at a time so we can properly appreciate each item. So I'm going to take this out of the screen. Okay, this was actually one thing that I bought extra at the time. It was not part of the subscription box, but I thought they were really cute little stickers, so I just added those on. Oh, they're really nice. Yeah, just little light bulbs. And I actually just recently got some light bulb rubber stamps. See if I can find them. No, of course not. Oh, here they are. Okay. I just recently got those from AliExpress. There we go. Aren't they cute? I just love all of them. So those will kind of go good together. All right, got a little card. Don't worry, I will be here holding you tight. That's cute. Thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you would enjoy our July collection, Your Creative Studio. Is the suspense killing you? Okay, got some little cling stamps. Let's see, this is a cling stamp in a cute little envelope. Ooh, gorgeous, neat. It's like a clip for a clipboard, but it's just a very scrolly design. Let's see if you can, nope, can't see it. Okay, there we go. Maybe I can zoom in. Isn't that pretty? Yeah. Okay. Zoom out. Okay, let's see what this one is. Oh, it's like a tiny version. See that? Very cute. And these are cling stamps, so they'll stick. I don't know if you're supposed to take that off or not. Seems like you would have to. Well, I'll figure that out later. But very fun. Beautiful. And this says it's washi. Oh, I ripped it. I ripped the label. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, and it goes with the kind of theme with the little clips. Very fun. Okay, what's next? Some stickers. Oh, look, there's a little picture of what all's in here. Cool. All like bicycles, cars, a couple of people, some vintage ads. Let's just take them out and look. Oh my goodness. And a Conestoga wagon. Pretty. Oh, and it looks like there's two of each. Yeah. My garage, my rules. Another old wagon. Cool. Old car. A scooter. That's more contemporary. A thoughtful girl. Very cute. 5 antique bicycles. Another old car. Just kind of stuck there. There we go. I think that's called a velocipede. One of the old bicycles that you had to climb up to ride. Old car. Whoops, sorry. A bus. That almost looks like a VW bus. Not quite. I don't know. Auto parts. Oh, that says something on there, but I cannot read it. Under the car. If it ain't in stock, we know where to get it. Okay. Tire shop. So we got kind of a car bicycle theme here. I don't know what those are shoes. Guess you gotta wear your shoes to go on your bicycle. Gas, last chance. Okay. Those are fun. Get that out of the way. Next, we have a little paper pack. Cottage garden. I don't know if that's a brand or a collection or what. It's like some cut up. It's got script. I don't know where home is, but I'm on my way. Copy of an old stamp. Postal. Writing. More script. Little postcard. Oh, that's fun. Looks like they're blank on the back on all of them. So these would work good in collage, or yeah, I'm thinking maybe some of Rachel's weekly challenge projects. You're getting too caught up in things that don't matter. I love these random quotes. that's cute. Looks like an ad for something. Ooh, I like that. Birdies. Very nice. Cute. Gotta keep flipping it over. P.S. I still wait for you. That's funny. Very pretty collection of papers. I like it. Oh, I see clips. Pretty. I love this one, this big one. Very pretty colors. Sticky notes with a little velocipede on the bottom. Wow, these really go together well. It's kind of amazing. Vintage note card. Let's see what that is. Oh, okay, it's like a notepad of papers. Oh, and there are a few different designs, all very neutral colored. Very pretty. Some purple flower stickers. Life is not as bad as you think, this sticker says. Life is great, not as bad as you think. Interesting. I like the purple flowers. Looks like some more stamps. Yep. Peel the individual stamp from the backing. Stick it to an acrylic block for stamping. Okay. And they're all little like pieces of paper with clips, or that's got a stick pin on it, and then there's little clips and stick pins so you can stamp those on other papers. Oh, that looks very fun. I like it. And a sheet of clip stickers. Cool. Whoops. Just dumped some stuff on the floor. Oh, these are gesso. Or, not gesso. Vellum. There we go. Okay. So, a bunch of different ones, looks like. All with that same theme of paper and clips. Fun. Oh, and I missed one more small size clip. And that is it. So I am actually not disappointed. Oh, and there's even I can use this. I can reuse this. It's a tissue paper that it was wrapped in. So yeah, this was really fun. I think very much worth the price. Definitely. So that is it for this little unboxing, and I will be back soon.